Welcome to this tutorial on the Holiday Jamboree blanket, part 3 of 6. So now that you have completed your knotted ridge section, we will be doing 2 rows of Tunisian Simple Stitch. And to do a Tunisian Simple Stitch, you just go through the loop, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Just going for that. You'll do that all the way around, and then we'll meet back here so we can do the actual pattern for this block section. And the pattern coming up is a 2-row repeat pattern. Now go ahead and complete 2 rounds of Tunisian Simple Stitch, and then we're going to come back for the rest of this block pattern. We'll see you in just a moment. So now that you have completed your 2 rows of Tunisian Simple Stitch, the following stitch pattern will be used for the next 18 rows. We've done 2, 1, 2, that leaves 18 left for our block of 20. This stitch pattern that we'll be using is the Tunisian Alpine stitch. Normally with a Tunisian Alpine stitch, we'll be doing an offset, but because we increase 1 on each side, it's going to automatically offset for us. As long as you start with this pattern, it is a 2-stitch pattern, and you'll work this all the way down. So the first stitch is a simple stitch, and then the next stitch is a Tunisian front post double stitch. So you'll just yarn over once. This is the open row. We need to go to the closed row. Pull up through the bar, yarn over, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That is your stitch pattern for every round. So a simple stitch, then yarn over, do a Tunisian front post double stitch, so we don't go with the one that we just worked on. We got to go to the fully completed row, go through the front bar, yarn over, pull up that loop, then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2, and that is your stitch pattern. So you'll start every round with a simple stitch and then the front post. Simple stitch, yarn over, do a front post double stitch, simple stitch, yarn over, do a front post double stitch, simple stitch, yarn over, front post double stitch, simple stitch, yarn over, front post double stitch. And you'll start every round with the simple stitch, then you will do the Tunisian front post double stitch. And that'll work out to the next row. When you come up, you'll be putting the double stitch into this simple stitch that we just pulled up. So simple stitch, yarn over, front post double stitch, simple stitch, yarn over, front post double stitch, simple stitch, yarn over, front post double stitch. The double stitches are done in the row below the row we're trying to close off. So you'll do 18 total rounds with this stitch pattern, and then we'll come back and we will do the next portion of our blanket pattern. So now that we have completed our 20 rows of our Alpine stitch, we will be doing the knotted ridge. Again, the knotted ridge is time-stamped in part 1 of 6. So you can continuously refer to it. So I'm going to go ahead and start my knotted ridge. And then once we come back, we'll come back for the next section that's in this pattern. Please consider giving me a like and subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated, and leave me a comment. I do like to chit chat. Thank you. That ends part 3 of 6.